Hi guys, I'm Kiwana Harris and this is Real Talk Jamaica. When disaster strikes, we stand together. Hurricane Melissa may have shaken our island, but not our spirit. Today, the Real Talk Jamaica family is heading to the western part of the island to lend a helping hand, sharing hope and bringing real talk, real help, and real love. So stay tuned.
Over the past few days, our island has been tested. Hurricane Melissa came with force, tearing through homes, flooding communities, and leaving so many families struggling to rebuild. But even in the middle of the storm, we saw something powerful: love. Neighbors helping neighbors, people sharing food, opening their homes, and lifting each other up when it mattered the most. That's the heart of Jamaica. Today, Real Talk Jamaica is heading to the western side of the island, not just to see the damage, but to give back, to listen, to share the real stories of strength and survival from the people who lived it. This is Real Talk Jamaica.
So these are some of our care packages, and we're heading to Jackson Town, Trelawny, tomorrow morning, bright and early.
Journey's on, yeah? I'll give some people some things. Trelawny. Yeah, the horse run back there, you know? I plan to go sleep.
Straight sleep till we reach. No, sir. You're tired.
We started our journey in Trelawny. The winds were fierce and many homes lost their roofs completely. But when we got there, we saw something deeper than damage. We saw resilience.
And the house, the roof, so my zinc come off and the water come in through the top and it wet up the whole like that. But right now one bag still in it, but through from morning, you know, feel so well me lie down in it. So I still got some more wet things to wash out and dry and but you know, why first time I was stay so me experience Gilbert and not like this. This one I worst one me ever experience. So wicked. No man, this one I have stay bad man. That mean to say all the tree them, the coconut tree them and the guinea tree them will fall down. When he believes say he can't take it, you know, he carry down so, and when he say he come up back so, and then he go back so, and then he come back so, and then he get it. Come from all angles. It was rough, man. It was a terrible experience.
Miss, come down here. Come. Me no for that too. Come. Inside your father. Me no know when we come back. See that no, me no just
Wow, water same
See
way.
that? Everything. Then who buy that?
Everything damaged.
Me a 71 in you. Me can't buy no.
Jesus, don't cry, mommy, don't cry.
Can't buy no. Me can't work because that costing me work too much. They have pinched nerves and they arthritis stuck in. Yeah? Me can't work.
So the wall of the roof gone.
Every God Almighty thing we pick up and cut up and
Put back together.
back together. So everybody so can put back car. At that pouring. Over there so. And every grown man close the road this one. Come. When I'm afraid that show no come. Can't come. Come. This is how I'm gonna dash you.
Yes, mommy.
Alright.
So you know pick up. So honesty and water still.
Give me no tell us
So
that
the whole
the
place.
water. I said yesterday, my grandson and I want my son. Present them out.
And fix up and,
God.
and put together
Yeah,
yourself.
yes, me start buy some material in the mud. I have the money. Right now, I want $150,000. I buy about zinc to put on top. I can't check it out already. $150,000
$150,000.
for all I zinc.
You ain't damage your have rough, man, rough.
When they start coming, no, mama.
Okay, you leave.
I mean, the grandson in there, I'm just saying, run your piece. And when you car, I don't know when go get the car. Because no car, then they go out and
Right.
call me and they say, sis, come, you stop gone. I mean, come down. I come down. I said, this we come to.
It was the worst hurricane ever growing up. You have to move to wake up our clothes, you have to throw them away. You have to just keep on washing, and the water everywhere has blown.
Okay, so your entire roof went?
No, not just the front right there, and the water the back part.
So everything. So how many of you live in the house?
9.
9 of you. So 9 of you in there with no roof. How you manage it?
Somebody gave a shelter down there for about 3 days.
Okay.
And my brother was here, so he helped me fix up and come back to work.
Okay. So, Mr. Melissa, the worst thing.
Yeah, from me growing up as a child. Not even thunder, no roll, lightning, no flash, nothing at all.
It's just what?
Rain, breeze, and the tree them tearing down, and water just running.
So you never flood out then?
No.
Okay.
It's like some of the stuff wet up and we throw them away. And some of them mildew and those. One side of the house, everybody have to stand up. When I was going out by the school, like the breeze, they lick me in my face, it sting me, and when we got there, nobody was there, so I have to turn back. The young man up there said we can come and have a shelter. We have shelter for 3 days. We come back, and the young baby have to run with the baby in the rain, and we have to cover him up well, and we get about 3 days up there. They give me something to eat, they give me water and stuff like that.
What was the most frightening thing for you, June Melissa?
And when me hear the breeze, and when me hear the old stuff, and when me say, wait, Melissa, you're not gone yet, and me hear shuku, me and my sister, they say, we say, no man, Melissa, they go on bad man, you mean you're not left none?
So Melissa take off everybody.
He say, me say after my sister, stop gone completely, right now, apartheid, they, take up back some of the tear up and kind of knock up some part. One side, no, still not no zinc pan.
Me and my mother and my daughter, and him did there down there, so he wanted to come up.
Right.
But can't move because zinc blowing all about. If you notice, even them
Right.
that zinc there, you see that zinc there you're looking at over there, so
Yeah.
that has zoops around there, so.
From over the
Yeah,
house?
far. See that old stop they were gone there, so you
Look
just
on the entire house
that's
stop
at the
there.
school house.
Or the school house stop
The
that
other
gone?
one from it, you just take you off and carry go over on the side over somebody backyard. Just so and couldn't get to really come up at the minute. So when me realize, me know that the roof really gone when the water come in pan we under the bottom.
So you never frightened?
Just a stay vigilant and I know say me have to focus on mommy did and my daughter did I cry, so I saw me end up with that cry and stuff, and we have to sweep out and map out, cut pan, crepe out water and all of these things. So everybody have their roughness we are go through, because if you look around the place,
That's what I've
everybody have
noticed.
it,
That
everybody have-
everybody
I
roof
just-
is affected.
Ooh, in a decking,
Right.
miss it certain way, and you still have people in the decking. Where you take out then slide window same way. Me go Mahogany Hall, me see one of me living 2 window gone. One of them me back door gone. The breeze take you off.
So you that describe Melissa.
In wicked man. Melissa cruel. We can't face another nothing near Melissa. Right now, me believe in my mind frame, say if this did stay for another hour or two,
Right.
I will probably wipe out. A lot of us would have gone. A lot of us. So it's not beautiful. It's not beautiful. My main concern now is not even the fact that we don't have light, and the fact that we might end up have food shortages, which me see that it come in place already, because me go supermarket and me can't get no candle, me not get no battery, no flour, no this, no
You know, me
that.
left the candle. Jeez.
So it's
So when you go to the supermarket, no food. No,
them have stuff there, but like things when me I asked for,
Right.
one particular place, there was none. There was none. None. Not even one jack mackerel me asked for this, so not even tough
no worry
crackers
yourself.
they
Me I
never
get jack
have.
mackerel now.
Not even tough crackers they never have in there. It's serious,
Yeah,
serious.
me know, but get thing is, you see, me like your spirit. You see, you just tell me a while ago, but say your sour face, and so look at your face nice. You have a nice spirit. If you just look up, have a positive outlook going forward. No, don't it?
Yeah, it's gonna give us, not just me, there are a lot of persons are affected, so people will get them set back and stuff, but the main thing is that we have to just give thanks for life, don't it?
When we arrived at Mr. Brown's home, the storm spell was written in every crack. A massive tree came crashing down, tearing through his roof and breaking the wall of the very room he slept in.
I can't.
Just glad we can't talk to you no more, because when we see what go on, we spot me there no man. What else we could have stand up now, you know? Terrible man, you know? Yeah, terrible man. That's it. That's it, Father Sierra, and I'm easy sight, you know?
Can just imagine,
I'm a bridge in the day now first before I reach to the school, and I see a one on my bridge in here, when shop on the outside, all of them see them just blow up. And the shops here, down at the shop now, no for true down there. Father just save part of the shop, we could just go and either tell, we don't even go by school, we don't even have a family alone. Yeah, when it's scared, we see a one up in the sky, you know? And when it starts. Jesus. Like everything now blow down.
Wow. Jesus.
So when you see something like that, you sit down before that.
She work or something. She work. Cooking this Sunday.
They're good. Alright. Let's go and keep yourselves safe. You hear that?
Yes, sir. We can make this with
But look here, a child of Sonny and Melissa. I said to her, Melissa, you don't know where you're a kid, that time then just announcing. I hope you don't feel like you know.
Alright, ma'am.
Melissa, ma'am.
But it's not me that with your house lady.
I want back my furniture, them. I'm a room.
So I me do it.
Melissa, come here, miss.
But look at this, see? But look at this. We alone come up here.
Yeah, different from Ministry of Labour come on Saturday. And then I come back, nobody. But it's only me alone up here at the time. Everybody did gone.
So me alone they assist.
You never great beginning.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah, it doesn't go signing up and stuff.
Right.
Nobody
When Shirley
else.
was here.
No care package where they give it out of the school. We run a group like we abandoned. Nobody no member when a night no girl grow.
See, Melissa member.
So remember, right.
Right.
See
So,
there.
are you the damage? So you have to remember wait. Are you the damage? So you have to
Melissa remember
wait.
you.
You remember saying pass through around here.
In every face we saw pain, but also pride. In every hand we saw help, even from those who had little left to give. That's what makes Jamaica special. Next stop, Montego Bay. Catherine Hall faced a different challenge. Flooding so heavy it turned roads into rivers. And while the water's gone down, the memory still lingers.
No, alright. At first, when you look, right, the storm finished like about 5 o'clock, they say it would finish. So the kids them excited like 5 o'clock, and they say storm was gonna be over like 5 o'clock, so everybody get excited now. So the kids them come out, and you know we're there right there. So because there was a little water, so but it was just rainwater.
Right.
It was clear. So when you look now, you say, alright, we are go wipe out whatever water. So when you look now, you see one dirty water, so you say, but the water come. And then when you see water come now, and you start going at the house, when you look, you see better, you're going at the house and you're looking at the house, water is already in the house because it start coming through the back. And you start hear people scream and stuff, and you start like, say, and then you start tell the kids them, tell my kids them, say, run upstairs, because now them a scream, everybody just start get crazy. And then now by the time, when you look, one like in the space of 2 minutes, it water reach right here, so, and then my father was in the house, and but
Where is the water reach?
like right here, so like 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes,
Or less than 2 minutes. By the time if you said to the kids them say, go upstairs, go next door, and them run, them wet up, and then now when me go now, take out my father, the water, because it come through the back, it lock the door. Then we go in at the next room now, the door lock. Because the water was so heavy, it lock up the door then. And that was what a lot of people were saying, that the water locked the doors, like it was like a monster water. And when we look now, I get out my father and I say, hold on from back because he cannot walk.
Okay.
But you see by the time, all of that time, my father reach, the water reach our neck.
Really?
Yeah.
So where the water come from?
You see it come through the
Bonnet River and Pie River.
Yeah.
Oh, the rivers overflow.
And come down and the sea come over as well.
So the sea meet, it's like the sea meet the river. And then when you look, because when you look, you see cars that go over there, so cars are going into the sea.
Like a boat.
Yes, cars was going into the sea. And Mega Mart right there, when you look, only like Mega Mart sign, you could like see half of the sign.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you could see people have videos and stuff.
Every house from West
Every
Green
house, West Green, Catherine Hall, from you have a downstairs.
No house no safe.
No house safe, no house safe.
No car.
But no car was safe, no bus, no truck. No bus, no truck, no car. Nothing was safe. We were happy that it was a night, because if it was night, you know, everybody gone to their bed, because it just come. Like, you know, have time, because everybody's screaming and people bawling for help. It was so terrible. I have some guys then could have swim, so then they say anybody. It was crazy. Trust me, it was so crazy. And then now, when you look, alright, the water take time go down. Then Wednesday morning, when you try go down, you live downstairs. You go downstairs. When you open the door. The fridge there on the back, the bed there on the dresser, the water doing at the house, bad. And not only that, it wasn't only water, it was mud. It was mud. So that was it. So all of the draw them, mud. Inna everything, mud. The water are mud and it is thick mud. So you hardly can see it.
The water was.
Yeah,
Repeat that.
it was
Almost
roof
roof
level.
level.
It covers
The
some of the
water.
houses. You know some of the houses
Lower.
lower than some. So it covers some of the houses and it's crazy. We don't save nothing. Some people say they save bed, but you know a bed. Most you don't save nothing. Nobody down here so come. I don't know if down here so lower than up there.
Yeah,
So
this around the church.
higher.
Around there so higher.
So I guess some parts.
So around there,
some
so
people
one and two
save
people
one and
save
two.
bed.
But we didn't save anything.
Anybody lost in life?
We heard of a old woman and an old man because they couldn't find the key. 'Cause if you couldn't find the key, like you
But after a lady, them say after them take her out of the water, bring her upstairs, she died after like she have a heart attack.
she have a heart attack.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the water come from, it just come when you could
Suddenly,
literally
just
see the
come
water
suddenly.
coming like one monster coming. It was terrible. It was terrible, but you know, we got
So all them vehicles.
all these vehicles were flooded out because if it covered the house, it automatically go cover the vehicles.
Yeah.
It covered truck. Oh my God! It was terrible. So we didn't save anything. No, we try. We don't have any water. Well, the light is okay, but the water.
The door, no water
No
at all.
water. They don't. No truck. Nothing.
So not bottled water to drink? Drinking water?
Yeah, because people come home and you can't get water, you can't buy water, but water wearing, you know, so you
Can wash out the mud
because
and all
the
these things.
mud,
Right.
because when you look in mud start get stink. It place stink because the mud start get thick up and stink.
My name is Grace Murray. My mother is Daisy Murray. She died in this storm. Nothing saved, everything gone. And I have one sister, one brother, niece, and nephew, cousin. Everything gone.
So you all were in the same house?
Yes, all in the same house. My mother died around 8 o'clock. And this storm. Very sorry.
I can only imagine.
Just hot. Well, tonight is our candle night. So we was trying to give our worship again.
Hurricane Melissa might have tested us, but the Jamaican spirit remained unbroken. To everyone who donated, prayed, or came out to help, thank you. Let's continue to be our brothers and sisters keeper, because when we stay real, stay united, we rise stronger together. God bless Jamaica.
Sexiness.
Yes, sexiness. I enjoy the evening. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Enjoy the storm. Now it's beautiful. We're going to have a wonderful day. See there, the foot. All the foot. Having a nice day. Enjoy the day. This wonderful frog will take me to the funeral. Lovely, lovely, sir. I enjoy the evening. May God bless you and keep you and come again. Thank you very much. Enjoy your evening. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
On behalf of Real Talk Jamaica and our sponsors, and to everyone who donated, thank you. Continue giving and continue to show love. And remember to keep it real.